back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a trip to Berlin, we stayed at the Marriott Mitte. We chose this hotel as it was conveniently located within walking distance to the major sites, including the Brandenburg Gates. Once we arrived at the Marriott, we were greeted by a large and tall foyer. We were quickly checked in and headed straight up to level 7. I was in awe of the design of the hotel. Upon entering the room, we immediately noticed the modern bathroom. There were a few extra amenities in there. And there was a shower over the bath. The room also had a wardrobe with an iron and hanging space. We also found a hairdryer and a safe. The room also had a minibar fridge and a tea and coffee station. Our room had a large bed in the center of the room with power points on either side. We also had a seating area right next to the window, along with a table and chair. We arrived at night, so we were unable to take in the view properly until the morning. The room felt really spacious and we loved the unique lighting throughout. The next morning we got to see the hotel room view. The hotel also had many other facilities that included a health club with excellent gym equipment, a pool, a bar and more. We spent 3 nights here, and then it was time for us to continue on our travels. We hope you enjoyed watching us stay here at the Marriott in Berlin. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.